Come on, peeps, millionaire in 3 years you can be if you follow my business plan. Get you some farmland or team up with someone with farmland, which I have 100 acres in Trelawney, Jamaica. Looking for an investor. I grow agriculture. I want to grow goats, pigs, chickens, and also ganja farming with license, of course. Need an investor. 100 acres in Danielstown, Trelawney. We can be a millionaire in 3 years. Can grow everything on the farm. It's very fertile. Need an investor. Ricardo Campbell. Jamaican number is 876-376-1027. Or you could call me on my US number, 786-206-1544. 786-206-1544. Millionaire in 3 years following this business plan. Come on.